Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Calm app subscription. So my dear friends, you can cancel your Calm app subscription by using two ways. The first one for Android user and the second one is for iOS user. Where you have purchased this app, you need to open which application. Like if you have taken subscription by using Android device, you need to open your Play Store and you need to click on your profile icon and you need to select payments and subscription. And once you tap on subscription, you will see there is a list of active subscription. You need to select your Calm app and you need to select a reason and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily if you have taken your subscription on iOS. Okay, so first of all you need to open your setting app and you need to click on your Apple ID or on your name and you need to select subscription option, and there is a list of active subscription in your phone. You can select Calm app and you can cancel your subscription on Calm app very easily by following these methods. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.